How to enable disappearing messages on Facebook Messenger. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable disappearing messages on your Messenger app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Messenger app. Open the chat where you want to enable the disappearing messages. Then tap here. Scroll down and tap on Go to Secret Conversation. Now type any messages. For example, I will tap Hi and send it. Now tap on this eye icon and here tap on disappearing messages. Now here select the time for the disappearing messages and simply go back. And this is how you can enable disappearing messages on your Facebook Messenger app. Thanks for watching.